Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine, and also I hope you are liking my videos. If you like my videos, so please like my videos, please subscribe my channel to get more notifications about my skin and healthcare home remedies. Not home, but it's some simple tricks, DIYs, that helps you to maintain your health, your skin, and all over your body. So please like, please subscribe my channel, please. So my today's home remedy, or you can say DIY, is about your gray hair, or how you can increase the growth of your hair. So I will share two home tricks, two home DIYs, that if you do every day, or at very proper intervals, then you will definitely see very good results, very promising results. So first of all, I will tell you one home remedy, one home DIY for your gray hair. So you have to take one lemon. Just you have to do is you have to squeeze the lemon like this. You have to squeeze properly so that all the juice of lemon comes out like this. Like this. You can use 2 lemons also, according to the quantity you required. And then you have to take coconut oil. Here I am using coconut oil of Parachute. It's very amazing. You can also use it of any other brand. Here I am using of Parachute. It is very good. Put coconut oil, 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon, like this. Then you have to mix it well, and your mixture is ready. This mixture you have to apply on your hair. This will work as your hair mask. So when you are applying it, be aware that you have to massage your hair properly with your fingertips. No, don't be harsh, be gentle. Your hair can also fall if you can be harsh. So massage it gently for 5 to 6 minutes, and leave it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. And if you do it every day, then it's will give very amazing results. But I know you cannot do it every day. You can do it at least 2 or 3 times in a week. But if you do it at very proper intervals, then you will definitely see very amazing results. Only these are very simple ingredients that you find in your home very easily. It's just 1 lemon you have to use, and and some of the coconut oil. These two home remedies are very easily available in every home. So this was my first home remedy for gray hair. Now also, it also promotes your healthy growth hair. It will promote the growth of follicles. And now I am sharing second home remedy, which is a very good hair mask for your hair. So this was my first, and now I am using second. Now I am sharing second home DIY for your hair growth. For this, you have to take 1 egg. You can use both egg white and egg yolk. Here I have taken both, so it's your choice that you can take individually also, egg white or egg yolk. You can take both, it will benefit double. And also you have to take honey. Here I have taken honey in small quantity, because here I am showing only demo. You have to take more than 1 tablespoon according to your hair volume. That how much you have to make hair mask for your hair. And the third ingredient is coconut oil. And first of all, you have to take 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of honey. Like this. Honey is very sticky in nature, so that's why I'm using my fingers. You have to mix it well. And the third ingredient that you have to use is coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the most using ingredient that I'm using in my almost every video, because it is very good for your health, skin, your hair, everything, almost everything. So now you have to stir it well, like this, and your hair mask is ready. make sure that honey is properly mixed, because it is very sticky and is not mixed properly. You can also use your fingers to mix it. Here I am using spoon because it's just demo. So you have to apply this on your hair. It will take about 3 to 4 minutes for the application of this mask on your hair, your scalp properly. So leave it for at least maximum 1 hour so that it works properly. Let it dry. You have to make sure that it is properly dry, not wet, until you wash your hair. And then after 40-45 minutes or maximum 1 hour, you have to wash your hair with any shampoo you can use. And the benefits of this hair mask is that it will nourishes your hair follicles, which helps in the further promotes growth of your hair, and it also reduces your hair infections, your itchiness, your dryness. It will make it will nourishes your scalp very properly. It will make the skin of your scalp very soft, and makes favorable conditions for the growth of your new hair, and repair your damaged hair. So it also helps to fight various infections, because egg is rich in proteins, so it helps in the growth. It is a growth ingredient that it helps in the growth of your hair. It will make your hair silky, shiny, soft. Hence it is very amazing hair pack, that you can apply on your hair. It's your own choice that you use it for. And what time interval you set to have this hair mask. You can use whether twice in a week or thrice in a week, or you can use don't use this daily, because washing hair every day can also causes hair loss, and also cause damage. But you can use it on a weekend, or maximum thrice in a week you can use it. So this was my hair mask, and these were the 2 home tricks, home DIYs that you can do it and have very good results. So I hope you like my video. So please like, and if you have any query, comment in the comment section, and please follow my page, watch more videos for which have very good benefits for your health and skin. Thank you so much.